I'm Daniel, and in this video we will be taking a look at Ultimarc's lit Balltop expansions, and they are great. They are not cheap at all, but they are great. Fantastic quality. I have 4 of them here in this monstrous build, and these are the ones to get. If you want lit up Balltops, RGB lit up Balltops, you want to get these versions. So I shot some material in the workshop while building this machine, and let's take a look at that. And I show you there exactly how to disassemble the original joystick, get the new shaft in, wiring the whole thing up, and I give you some tips if the Balltop gets stuck, if you don't have enough height. But here I can remove one of the balls. You can see it's like the trackball. It's a white colored acrylic Balltop, and then there is the LED inside the shaft. Great quality, not cheap, but I think the best in the industry. So let's take a look at the material I shot in the workshop. Okay, we'll be installing the RGB Balltop, or the Illuminated ball handle, Ultimarc calls it, into our, what's it called, Ultra Stick. And this is the ServoStik edition, which has the restriction plate. And it's super easy to do. We need to have some tools, a pair of pliers, let me get it here, and a small screwdriver. So let's open the package. Let me get the scissors. Okay, let's see what we got. So this is a dust ring. That's nice. This is the harness. This is the acrylic Balltop and the shaft. And it comes complete. Let me get it off. With a 3.5mm headphone jack connector, which is nice. And the RGB LED on top. Okay. First things first, let's get the old joystick shaft out. Let's get it apart. And we start with removing the V-ring or the V-clamp. You can just do that by inserting a small screwdriver and get it out. Be careful that it doesn't fall on the floor because it can jump on you. Very carefully get it off like this. Don't lose it, you need it. Now get the plastic ring off. There's the spring. And now very carefully we can get the old shaft out of the controller. Like this. And here you can see the cup, the thing. We need to get it off, and we need to get it on the new shaft. Let me see. Other way around. Here. So sometimes you need a little bit of strength. If it doesn't fit right away, you can use tools, but be very careful not damaging the RGB LED or the connector. Let me get it on. And there it is. So perfect. So now we can very carefully reinsert the new shaft inside the joystick housing. Let's get it in there. Work with me. Like this. There it is. Let's insert the spring. And the black cap, like this. Push the cap in, and now you need to hold it with the nail of your thumb, like this, so that the opening for the V-ring is visible. And now we need to find the V-ring. Where is it? Yeah, there it is.
And this is quite possibly the most difficult part, but it's not that difficult. Just put it on. It will hold itself in place. And now with a pair of pliers, we just need to snap it into place. Like this. And our new handle is mounted. So that's the way how to do it. Well, later I will be installing this servo module on it and attach that, but that will be another video. And the only thing left to do is mount the joystick to the control panel and clip on the wiring, the harness, which is included, and attach the bolt top, of course. This is the connector for the RGB Balltop handle, but as you can see, it is really large, and the control panel is not thick enough, so it restricts the movement now. So what I'm going to do is very easy. I'm going to open the connector, make it a little bit smaller, and put it back. And this is really easy to do. So we just carefully open the crimping, well, how do you say, housing? Let me get the connector out. Like this, and as you can see, there's a lot of wiring which makes the connector unnecessarily large. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a tie wrap and do the wiring like this. Get it over here and then carefully connect it like this. Don't break it. And as you can see, this gives me a little bit more room to play with. So, perfect.
So that's it. This is how you install the Balltops. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.